Guys, I wanted to show you this new yarn that I just purchased. I love crafting, I love knitting, crocheting, and I've been getting into like hand crocheting blankets. So I wanted to show you what it looked like. The yarn, it comes like a ton of it. It's very soft. You can see how much I got. It comes in these like really pretty colors that I think my kids are just going to love. And they've been begging for another blanket. This one is handmade with like using your fingers to crochet it, which is really cool and just like a fun thing to do that kids can do, or you can do like watching TV. It's just like relaxing. So my kids have been like begging for another one. I wanted to show you what it comes out like when you are finished with it. It takes me a little while, but not that long, but I just wanted to give you just show you what it comes out like. My kids love this. It feels like weighted to them and really soft. They all kind of fight over it. So I picked up some more yarn to make another one. So you can see the colors are just really pretty. They kind of like blend in together. And I wanted to show you up close what the yarn actually looks like. It's thick and really pretty. You can use it on a crochet hook as well, or you can use it with your fingers, or you can even all different types of crafting can be done with this. I'm really happy with it, and I'm glad that I got it.